I got one right here from Insane Illusions. I got another one right here, which is a custom shift knob. I also have two other boxes right here. One's from Fenders, and this one's from another 3D printer guy. And I totally forget who it is because he didn't write his business name there, but I'll talk to him in a couple days. You know, I figured since I haven't made a video in over a month and a half at least, I decided that I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I told you about 2 or 3 videos ago that I would go ahead and open that box right there. So I got another box right here I want to show you guys, but just not today because it's not nice out. When it is nice, I'll bring that outside. I got 2 small ones right here, and this is not what the video is about. Let me go ahead and put that lid on real quick. That one's on, good. Please do not mind my messy workshop. I've been like trying to refinagle it, but it's a lot of work. All right, so I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way real quick and open that. And you can see, bring to Jason's shop. I wrote that on there. We look right here on the shipping package receipt thingy. It says 3/28/16. That's crazy. I think we have enough space right here. Let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, you guys, I've never seen these outside the box. Real talk. So, you guys can see, like, this did come boxed up nice. And for those of you that don't know where I got this and how I got this, I will explain it while I go ahead and open it. It says fragile, do not double stack. So that's why it's been over there in the corner for so long. You guys can see right there. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands. I bought this, well, I didn't buy it, I actually bid on these things. There's an SRT4 giveaway page, basically. It's like a raffle page. I basically bid, I think, like $160 altogether on like 6 or something different slots. And I won these. This is one of the few things that I've won. And this is the driver's side. For those of you that don't know, I can't tell, this is special carbon fiber front fenders for my neon SRT4 that have been bubble wrapped, and I've never opened them. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open them for you guys because these things are sick. Look at those things, dude. Look at that. It's not even like the pretty side yet. This is the inside. I think I've come to the conclusion. I'm just gonna get these scissors and I'll just have to be fragile or go get another thing of saran wrap at the dollar store so I can go ahead and re-saran wrap these things up. These retail for about $400 to $600. I can't recall 100%, but guys, look at this work right here also. These pots are like the biggest pain in the ass, I should say, for the fenders on the neon SRT4 in the rear bumper areas where they had these, because I replaced these on my neon 8 months ago over the winter. So this is pretty much ready to go. So we're just gonna go outside with this. We don't hit anything on the way out. Yeah. Alright guys, really ready for this? Look at that. Is that not dope or what? Yo, these things are so light. I don't even know how much this weighs, but I'm telling you, that is super dope. Like, you guys, look at the work. Brand freaking new. $160 for brand new carbon fiber fenders that are literally identical to the original fender. It even has the holes at the bottom drilled out already. You got this little tab over here. You got the splash shield holes. Let's see if I can turn it right there. You got 2 right there, 3. You got 3 up there. You got the 3 screws, and you also have the fender liner bolts. So you got that for the windshield cowl, and then fenders to body. I will honestly say I'm pretty impressed with this. How light it is. I've never held one. I might even have them go ahead and re-clear the fenders when they clear the car. I honestly just worry about any imperfections on the weave look. Oh, that weave right there is a little off, but honestly, this thing is dope. I'll try to leave every type of link that I need to in the description for you guys, even special carbon fiber fenders in case you don't want to do the raffle giveaway. You guys can go ahead and go directly to their website and buy them. My hood is upstairs right now. That needs to be re-cleared, and I'm hoping to have everything done on the car by the end of the year, but who really knows. This is definitely gonna make my front end pop with my hood. That's why I want the front bumper. So with that being said, that's probably my next big purchase before it gets out of the auto body shop. It takes about weeks to get to you. I'm probably just gonna have it sent to Jason's shop out in Charlton, Massachusetts. He has his new shop that I haven't shown you guys yet, but I do want to go out there because I do want to check out this 1986 Chrysler Conquest Turbo. I might go out there and show you guys that car, show you Jason's new shop. I do apologize to you guys that I haven't been making videos. I decided to take on a travel job, so I'll be traveling throughout the United States for the next X amount of years or whatever, however long I decided to do it until I decided to plant down. I've been trying to organize and clean and everything else. Still got my bumper over there. I still got to go ahead and finish. Jason, I do apologize that I haven't brought you back that tool right here. I will soon. I just got to go ahead and finish this bumper. I really don't have much left. I really don't. I just got to take that 36 grit and sand down the surfaces. That way they can go ahead and put their overlay before they put their primer and etc, etc. But if you guys like this video and you stay to the end, definitely think about hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. If you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely think about that. There's a link in the description for my Instagram if you guys want to follow me there also. I have Snapchat, and Snapchat is pretty much where I do most of my daily feeds of my life and just things I see every day. So hopefully I filled you guys in. I'll fill you guys in later on about Jacob and whatever. When that car decides to be finished, it'll come to me and I'll make sure to bring you guys some sort of content of it being delivered, or where it's gonna go next, or what's my next plan, etc. So much stuff, you guys, building the car, especially not having it in your hands. Smash the like button, like I said, comment, subscribe, all that good. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned.